I'm Tony. Today we'll be removing the Sonotrode carriage. First, you'll want to push reset, clear out the banding from the arch, and make sure the arch remains open. Then, we'll turn the power off and unplug the machine. The tools you'll need is a 3mm Allen wrench and a 4mm Allen wrench. First, we want to lower the front panel. Then lift up the table for accessibility. Then we will remove the return spring and the 2 bolts holding in the left brass guide. First, I'll remove the return spring, and then remove the top bolt. Then the bottom bolt. Then you'll be able to slide the brass guide down the channel. Then you're free to do a slight rotation and pull out the Sonotrode carriage. And finally, you'll disconnect the red and black wires. To reinstall it, first connect the red and black wires. Then you'll put it underneath the right brass guide and it'll set on the cam. Slide the left brass guide up along the left side until the holes line up. Then we'll put the bottom screw back in. Top screw. And finally the return spring. And now you've successfully reinstalled your Sonotrode carriage assembly.